Today we're here to install the Illuma LED tape lighting kit with wireless dimmer. Let's get right into it. Once you've unboxed all the components in your kit, here's what you should have. We've included this handy diagram in your instructions. Here's how all the components fit into that diagram. You could easily substitute a puck light in for the tape lighting in a similar installation. Installation of this kit is very simple, so let's get right into it. The first thing you'll want to do is cut the barrel connector off of the end of your roll of tape. Next, you'll want to cut the tape to length. Begin step 2 by peeling about 1/4 inch of the adhesive back from the end of the tape. Next, insert the tape into the end of the provided 8mm connector and screw down the associated screw terminals. Make sure your wire is properly run. In this situation, I'm running from the receptacle above the microwave. I'm also pulling the wire down between the cabinet and the microwave. For best connection, strip the ends of the wire, then twist them together and fold them over. Maintaining polarity is important when connecting the wire to the tape light. You'll see the 12-volt positive marking on your tape light. Connect the red wire to the screw terminal on that side. The black wire connects to the negative terminal on the opposite side. Once the wires have been inserted into their proper terminals, use the included screwdriver to tighten the screws. For step 3, you'll first add the included adhesion pads to the back of the connector. Once attached, remove the paper cover from the back of the adhesion pad. Then peel the paper covering from the back of the tape light. In this installation, we're attaching the tape light to the back of the face frame for continuous light. Pull the tape light tight, then slide your fingers across the tape for firm adhesion to the surface. In step 4, we'll get our receiver connected. First, remove the cap from the back of the receiver. Next, attach the included female barrel connector into the DC input side. Be sure to maintain polarity again by attaching the black wire to the negative terminal and the red wire to the positive terminal. Once you have the wires properly inserted, tighten with the flathead bit of your screwdriver. If you don't see the flathead bit on your screwdriver, remove the bit from the plastic casing and flip it to the other side. Next, you'll connect your wiring to the receiver, being sure to maintain polarity again. In step 5, we'll install and connect our power supply. You'll see here that the microwave is already plugged into this receptacle. The 60-watt power supply included with this kit has a male barrel connector. Connect that to the female barrel connector we already installed on the receiver. Once connected, replace the cap on your receiver and then plug the power supply in. Lastly, we'll want to get the controller paired to the receiver. First, let's open the battery compartment on the back of the controller, remove the battery and the plastic tab included with the product. Then, replace the battery and the plastic cap. To connect the controller to the receiver, simply press the learning button on the receiver one time, and then press the on button on the remote one time. The lights should blink. If you ever need to unpair or reset the connection at any time, simply hold the learning button for 7 seconds until the lights blink again. Now your kit has been successfully installed. Here's an example of what your kitchen could look like. Different Kelvin temperatures affect the surfaces of your kitchen in varying ways, so be sure to choose the Kelvin temperature that's right for you.